Hi everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to learn another chainless foundation, but this one is going to be the chainless foundation in double crochet. Okay, so you start off with your slip knot. Okay, slip it onto your hook and you go 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you're going to yarn over, put it through that first bottom part, or the first bottom loop, hook a loop, and yarn over. Okay, then you're going to yarn over 1, and then under 2, and then under 2. Okay, there it is. I'll do it again. Yarn over, under the bottom 2 loops of the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, and then pull through 2, and then 2. So that first pulling through 1 makes your chain down here below that you're working into. Okay, so we'll do another under both loops, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, there you go. So that is the chainless foundation, crochet in double crochet. Okay, and then if you were to go on after that, you would turn and chain. Say for example, we'll do double crochets. Okay, so I chain 2, and I'm going under both loops for now until we get to that part. Through 2, through 2. Okay, so there you have it. This is the chainless foundation in double crochet. Thanks again for watching. If you guys are interested, please subscribe to my channel. I've got more videos coming up. I had a little bit of a time off, what with Father's Day and everything. Anyway, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you get reminded when I post up new videos. Leave some comments about what you would be excited to see. And yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. Bye.